Good morning. There are practical difficulties we have faced so far. My experience of 40 years, recently the judges simply passed an order in the ADA stating that suit decreed should dismiss without passing the recent orders. In one case, after passing the judgment and decree, the judgment was made ready only after 8 months by the 8th Assistant City Civil Judge. These all are things. For that, there was a judgment. AR 2021 Supreme Court 3344. Subhita Chakrabarti versus Ranagad ST Hospital and others. This Ranagad is a place where I got alliance with Bengali based Bihari Mandal community. My daughter-in-law was of that Ranagad village. My son's marriage is held at Ranagad, West Bengal, the border to Bangladesh. It's all right. This is says Order 33, Section 33, Order 20, Rule 1. Consumer for delivery of judgment, though operative order had been pronounced, but recent judgment not delivered yet, if amounts to defeating rights of party aggrieved to challenge the imputed judgment on merits and even succeeding party is unable to obtain fruits of success litigation. Such judgments must be made available to litigating parties positively within the period of 2 months. President of National Conspiracy then direction was given. Several judgments were discussed time to time about this subject. You can quote and take down those judgments. Undisputedly, right of the aggrieved parties are being prejudiced if the reasons are not available to them to avail of the legal remedy of approaching the court where the reasons can be scrutinized. It indeed amounts to defeating rights of the party aggrieved to challenge the imputed judgment on merits and even the succeeding party is unable to obtain the fruits of success of litigation. This was the regime. So then direction was given. So this is what we are facing, and I hope you can, if you are not obtaining you can very well file an application citing the judgment, compelling the court to pass orders, recent orders. Actually, earlier, whenever the courts reserves order, if we pressurize for orders, then they may say it may tantamount to contempt. But later on, the courts held that we have got right to remind the court for that the judgment in case of reserved judgments are not yet published by filing application. So another process of litigation. All these things we are facing. Yes, yesterday notification from the Bar Council interim suspend order were passed against 7 advocates. Unfortunately, all the advocates not while rendering their performance as an advocate, indulged in that advocate. It's all right. It's better of them to face the consequences, or they have any defense. It is up to them. But this should be alarming information to all young advocates who are aspiring for their career. The best career of an advocate, according to me, is a renowned advocate in that area, or at least in state, not by media advocates, because the familiar advocates holding high post may not command respect from common people. If you are a renowned advocate, you can command respect from all corners of the society. Even beggars and mentally retarded persons can salute you, understanding your status, even if you are not dressed to the standard expected. Actually, when I started my practice, I went to H3 Thandarpet Police. I am told that the head constables seems to have told after my leaving the police station, see what an advocate, not even having a cycle to reach it. See, this is expectation of the people, but you don't run after that. Even now, I used to have car when I need car because I have cases of almost all parts of Tamil Nadu. Therefore, I have all cars, including Batmini Premier. But later on, when my children were studying, I had a car, driver, etc. But now I am not using car because there is no use for me to use car. If I travel by car, it will consume 40 to 50 minutes to reach High Court. But if I travel by auto, I could reach within 15 to 20 minutes. Now, thanks to the union government, and the state government, Madam Jayalalitha, I have easiest way to reach High Court within 12 minutes, maximum 12 minutes, because I have to walk to some half kilometer to reach metro station Tyagaraja College. That will reach within 7 minutes the High Court come. That means I reached High Court come. But still, the matter is urgent. I used to travel by auto to reach High Court, and for convenience of me, because of this atmosphere prevailing. And while returning, I used to return very leisurely by metro train. So that is different thing. And I used to, I always advise my juniors, don't think that the clients will always, only few clients who may be attracted for your car and sophisticated officer, etc. And but not all clients. Whatever it may be, it is the taste of the individual. I am not supposed to comment on that. I would like to thank the judiciary that nowadays all courts are freely open, but I saw a heavy crowd before the family court. So I would like to request our benevolent leader, Bar Council, Chairman, and other office bearers, and our advocate as well, to approach the our Honorable Chief Justice of Tamil Nadu to see that these family courts are shifted outside the outskirts of High Court premises, because it is better that in an independent atmosphere must be available for this family court litigants to sit calmly in the veranda. When the cases are called by digital board, they may go to reach, so that they should understand, and all the proceedings before the other courts may also be telecasted, so that the litigants should understand the fate of the other spouses, and they may reconcile self by rethinking their disputes. See, it should be it's a social transformatory process. I think hope that will be done, and the building which is now renovated, the Madras Law College, may also be used to remove these heavily crowded courts from the city, our premises, to that particular building. These all are my aspirations or advice. May be accepted, may not be accepted, subject to other one. And for young advocates information, the group insurance scheme has now somewhat extended to other facilities. Kindly go through enroll yourselves by paying the subscription to the Bar Council of India immediately. Do not wait for the expiry of the date. Best wishes.